in north central Texas, northern Wise County in north central Texas, until 6 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 15 miles north of Lindsay to 4 miles northwest of Decatur, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lindsay around 5:15 p.m., Gainesville around 5:25 p.m., Sanger and Callisburg around 5:35 p.m., Roberts Park, Johnson Branch around 5:45 p.m. This will impact Interstate 35 between mile markers 480 and 503. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the